Let's follow the installation guide in the documentation to launch a directory on Vercel. Step 1. Create your own repository. Once you have purchased the template, you will get access to this private repository. You can click the button Use this template to create your own repository. Give it a name and make it private. Then click Create a repository. OK. Step 2. Clone the GitHub repository. Open your terminal. Done. Step 3. Install the dependencies. Go to your repository folder and run npm install to install the dependencies. Done. Step 4. Copy the .environment.example file to .env.